Static Nick in the building. What's good, y'all? Today we back here with another banger video, y'all. Today, as y'all can see, I'm not outside. I'm actually in a room, all right? So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing for you guys. And basically a couple of things that I've already gotten, and kind of give y'all an update on like where I've been for like the past like month and a half. For real, I know I dropped like 2 videos back in December, but y'all, the grind has just started back up. All right. First and foremost, I do want to apologize for everybody. Like I said, I know I haven't been dropping no content, but I've been making sure that I've been trying to get the best content for you guys. All right. So first things first, if y'all have noticed that my camera quality is better, it's because I did get a new camera. All right. And I did get a mic. If y'all are listening, y'all can probably hear that my sound sounds a little bit better. But yeah, I got a new camera, I got a new mic. Like I said, we're doing that for better quality content, all right? Because at the end of the day, you know, I want to start expanding my horizons on what I do. So basically, I want to make sure that once we do that, I want to make sure that we're doing that the best way possible. And like I said, with good quality content and making sure that you guys can hear, you know, everything. Another thing, as y'all can see, well, I'm not gonna show y'all the room yet, but y'all can see a little bit of it, like as we can see here, okay? But like I said, I've gotten a few things as far as like, you know, products for better, you know, better quality stuff as we're speaking. But first things first, y'all, we did get a few products, all right? First and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe as well. So with y'all friends and family, I don't want to give anything away. All right, so first and foremost, we'll move this out the way. The room, okay? The room that y'all are seeing right now is basically what I'm calling my streaming room, okay? And we're having a lot of streaming content coming soon, y'all. And what I didn't show you guys, which I wish I would have done an unboxing for, but I did end up getting a PC. Okay, got the PC. Everything that you see here was sent to me. All right, so everything all the way down from the computer and everything. All right, so y'all, we will be having some streaming content definitely coming soon. All right. Also another thing, y'all, let me go ahead and tell you guys this. Okay. Thank you so much to the company Rackstify. Okay. Rackstify hit me up on Instagram about like last Friday and asked me, you know, looked at my profile and asked me, you know, about sending me out a wrap, okay? Which, like I said, with me just having my car just getting wrapped, I wouldn't know what to say. But like I said, we're taking away a free opportunity here. At the end of the day, I'm gonna take it, okay? So they texted me, told me they liked my profile and wanted to work something out, and I said, let's do it. So I do have a wrap on the way from Rackstify. Like I said, I appreciate them for giving me the opportunity, you know, as small as a content creator I am. But y'all, they're sending me a wrap. I've already ordered the wrap today, so it is now on the way. So y'all ain't gonna know what I do with that yet. Okay. Another thing is, here we go. First things first. Okay, we have, hold on, let's see if we can. There you go. All right. So, only reason I got this right here, this is basic. Oh, here you go. Here's a better, well, there you go. So, this is basically mesh boxes for Wi-Fi, because like I said, if we're going to be streaming, we need to make sure that we have the best Wi-Fi, okay? Y'all please make sure y'all tune down. I will have everything as far as like my Twitch and everything down in the description below, so y'all please make sure y'all tune into that. But yeah, these are boxes for your Wi-Fi. So we need to have the best signal in order to be able to get the best Wi-Fi, so we're not having no problems when they come down to these streaming, okay? I'm not gonna unbox this yet, but yeah, I just do want to show you guys like this is what I have, okay? Next, all right, as y'all can see right now, what we are working with as far as sitting down will probably be the seat as of right now, okay? This is the seat that we're working with right now, but we got some good news, okay? We do have some very good news that we got a box here. She was supposed to be here on Christmas, but you know, stuff happens. got a gaming chair, okay? So, what this video will be about, I'm going to unbox this gaming chair and hopefully try to put it together, okay? So hopefully I don't need a whole bunch of stuff for it. But yeah, so I'm going to unbox this, put you guys down. There we go. There's a manual here. I'm not gonna need anything like that, okay? I have no experience at all, so we're gonna try to There you go. There's the back. Okay, so this is gonna be like a real heavy duty type of thing, okay?
Don't give a fuck, we spraying the K, we spray out the A. Yeah, that's gon' end me. No, that's Cam like me. I had to put a hole through him, so she put him on the shirt, yeah, white tee. Put a check on him, Nike. Yeah, pussy boy, I ain't never that again. Tryna get that guap again. Run up on me, run up on me, I'm catching the shit. Run it up, run it again. I don't give a fuck, bitch, I'm in Benz. I'm in Benz, goddamn. I don't give a hoover, hot damn. Wanna count out my checks in advance. Wanna get a bad bitch straight from France. Choose from England, fit from Japan. Run it down, I'm blinking your man.
My dog get fucked up, hit tried to codeine for a kidney. Two fingers locked up, no they with me. I was in Melbourne, fucking on Sydney. If it's smoke, it's going up like a chimney. In the AP store, and they looking at me like the girls who both won Wembley. Need a rich bitch with no enemies. Nigga play with my name, then it's injuries. Ever since I popped out, it's been inquiries. I'm a post, they gon' bite it, they feeling me. She pull up, sucking everything out of me. I know niggas not close to doubting me. All the nephews and nieces gon' shout at me. Anytime, every time, all of your uncles and aunties is proud of me. Us, you the only one who hated us, honestly, why to me? I watched some snake boots, came from Calgary. Niggas ain't shit, we learned that from the algorithm. Came in all black like a English pilgrim. Bet I'ma feed the children. Bet we gon' bust up a billion. Bitches jumbo, FN10 like Honcho. You fucked up your face, now you the breakout star like Honcho. Bitch won't judge, you know I get right with you like Quavo Honcho. My mama rich, she don't switch shifts, she came in Chrome Hearts poncho. My booty is pure from Jersey, side bags from Alejandro. They gig is smoking mirrors. I fucked you twice this week, so next time bitch better be on clearance. These rich hoes bored and weird. He tender about a bitch that me and mine cannot take serious.
Call me special, they gon' wanna be us. His baby mama approaching in them Prius. In the field, Jeep full of creepers. Stop that, you know you not a tweaker. 28 boys is a project for reapers. Hit them on line and get hung like some sneakers. I will crash out and touch one of my peoples. Life on the line of my brother's keeper.
for days, I done been trapping for days. These niggas don't know where I'm at though. Rapping for days, I done been trapping for days. These niggas don't know where I'm at though. Rapping for days, I done been trapping for days. These niggas don't know where I'm at though. Rapping for days, I done been trapping for days. These niggas don't know where I'm at. These niggas sweet, yeah, these niggas old. Just one account, double up my bros. I don't give a fuck, yeah, we spinning poles. Stop playing with him, stop playing with them, stop playing with me. I don't give a fuck, we spraying the K, we spray out the A. That's gon' end me. No, that's Cam like me. I put a hole through him, so she put him on the shirt, yeah, white tee. Put a check on him, Nike. Yeah, pussy boy, I ain't never that again. Tryna get that guap again. Run up on me, I'm like, run up on me, I'm catching the shit. Run it up, run again. I don't give a fuck, bitch, I'm in Benz. I'm in Benz, goddamn. I don't give a hoover, hot damn. Wanna count up my checks in advance. Wanna get a bad bitch straight from France. Choose from England, fit from Japan. Run it down, I'm blinking, man.
So we finally got the chair done, okay? We had, hold on, turn the camera down. We had 4 of these washers left. I don't know. They told me to put them on the screws, but the screws that they had weren't working at all. So we just forgot about those. Whole bunch of extra spare parts and stuff. Okay. Alright, you guys, so now it is time for the moment of truth. Alright, let's go ahead and aim this down. I'm finna go ahead and take a seat. Matter of fact, so they gave me this USB. Okay, I don't know what it's for. I didn't read anything. Okay, but yeah, they gave me this USB. For whatever reason, okay? So, first let's test it out. Okay. Now we're going to try and see what this USB does. Okay. Nah, having a massager is crazy. Y'all, it's a massager. Nah, that's tough. Alright, you guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Alright, as I say, this is the start of a new chapter. Alright, thank you guys for helping me put this together. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Well, it's a great investment, okay? It's a great investment, but y'all, thank y'all so much. Please stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. We're on our road to 2,000 subscribers. And y'all, first video should be up this weekend. So y'all, please make sure y'all stay tuned for that. That being said, like, comment, subscribe once again. Share with your friends and your family. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.